Today I've got the Koolance CPU-LN2 Rev2 dry ice and liquid nitrogen pot up for review. If you're just popping in, this is the third video of a four-part series. The first video was W Prime 1024M, second was 3Dmark 2005, and now we're on to 3Dmark Vantage. We're going to be running 3Dmark Vantage hopefully at 5100 megahertz. Hopefully we'll pass the CPU test too. I'm not quite certain considering how low these temperatures are. But we'll go ahead and see how it goes, or how it does. What we're looking for is the delta between the IHS temperature and the base of the pot. And what we're looking for is the delta. And more importantly, how cold the processor stays through the entire benchmark. As the colder it is, the faster it can, in theory, go. Right now, the speeds that we've been running are all what I consider to be more or less safe frequencies, as I'm just trying to get some data for you guys, so you guys can make a choice with regards to pots. So with that being said, I will fire the test up and get back to stoking the pot. Those are actually some pretty impressive temperatures. It's amazing what you can do when you're with the dry ice. If you powder it, the additional surface area from the powder versus the big bricks drops temperature considerably. Alright, now here's the CPU test. This should be interesting. That's actually holding pretty well. I was expecting a much steeper drop. You can hear me stirring the pot considerably to try and keep the temperatures down, so it would pass the test. But yeah, it did. Vantage was very nice and smooth at 5100 megahertz. Lowest temp I think we saw was like what, negative 59 Celsius or so on the IHS, which is not bad at all for dry ice. I think that actually. Yeah, it's actually a full 8 degrees cooler than the first revision of the spot. At lower temperature, or at lower speeds too on the previous run, so impressive. Alright. Now that Vantage is done,